On this video, we're going to show you how to change out your HCF2 on your 2013 to 2016, I want to say, the 9th gen to the 9.5 gen, how to change out your CVT fluid. So first thing you want to do is make sure your car's all warmed up. Make sure you've gone from park, reverse, neutral, drive, and back, waiting 3 seconds at each shift that you do. Turn it off. Pop open your hood, make sure you have your hood prop on, and then what you're going to do is, sorry, I'm just a little ahead on it, I just thought I'd make a quick video. There's a plug that goes right there, and it looks something like that. So I put this plug right there, and raise it up. By the way, make sure to jack up your car from your proper jacking points. Once you're underneath here, make sure you just inspect everything, make sure nothing is leaking. That just looks wet because I actually popped open the drain plug and let everything out. It's been raining a lot here in Texas, so what we're gonna do now, what you're gonna do is come underneath, and you're gonna see a bolt that looks like it has a 3/8 3/8 thingy that you can put your ratchet on. Come over here, put it in there, and then you're gonna go to the right. You're gonna swing it out right, so it's gonna do something weird. You're gonna break it loose, let it all drain out, plug it up, and then you're just gonna bring it down. Right where we have that hole opened up, we're gonna put a funnel in there, and then, if I can find it, we're going to use Honda Genuine HCF2. You don't really want to use any kind of aftermarket transmission fluid on these, especially just on Hondas, period, because they're really finicky about what they like and they don't like. Got some gloves on, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to apply the parking brake, start the car in park, move the shifter, blah 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 blah. 3 seconds in each position. Put it back to park, turn off the car. Remove the check bolt, and I'll get to that real quick. So let's hop into the world's most uncomfortable car and turn this on. Pull this clear. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now on stuff like this, I like to just make sure everything's, done properly. Yeah, you can do it just one and done, but I'm going to make sure everything goes through the valve body and the whole entire transmission. So I'm going to redo that again. I really recommend doing it 2-3 times just to make sure. But yeah, once I get that done, we'll be stepping right back out, and then we'll show you how to adjust it. put 3 quarts or 4 quarts in here? Yeah, 4. Oh yeah, who knew that I had Brembos off of an Acura TL Type S that I can use still an Acura TLS rotor and Acura TLS pads just to make life easier. Who would have thunk? I want to say it's 12. Get up here. There's a check bolt up there. That little guy. Get the focus. Yeah. That one. So that's your check bolt. That's your drain plug, check bolt, drain plug, check bolt, and it's being weird. It's a 12 point. Or 12 millimeter. We're just gonna crack it loose. Get this up. Put it right about where it needs to be. And then take this out. Stream's gone tiny now, and so we're just gonna put this back in. That's hot. Make sure to not put your hand on your exhaust pipe. It just makes one heck of a day. Grab your 12 again, turn it to the other side. From lefty loosey to righty tighty. Cool. Remember, clean your splitter off because it grabs everything. And you're done after that. Hope you guys liked the video. It's a quick DIY video. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know if I need to do anything else. Any how to maybe change a coolant, how to do an oil change. Any kind of custom stuff. As you can see, she's really one of a kind, and I'm really proud of it. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I really think we can do this. And it's not just going in and trying to subscribe. I'm really saying this, and I really do believe it, that this is an investment to the future of television. Television is dead. Everything's going to YouTube, to an online platform, and I think this is the platform. And if you're a person like me who grew up with Speed Channel or anything like that, or Monster Garage, I really think that a channel like this can actually help out for the future generation, for us. And yeah, just please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Share it, like it, leave a comment below, good or bad. And yeah, thank you. Bye.